4 must-read books that will make cultivating a wealthy mindset easier. It's so empowering once you realize that your mindset is your key to changing your reality. And when it comes to smashing your financial goals, developing a wealthy mindset is key. But those deep-grained beliefs about money go right back to your childhood and can be hard to overcome. The good news is that there are lots of supports around you to help you change your money mindset and start you on your road to wealth. Here are 4 must-reads to help you root out those money beliefs that are no longer serving you. 1. Harv Eker, Secrets of the Millionaire Mind, Mastering the Inner Game of Wealth. Harv Eker's book will help you identify your own personal money blueprint that determines whether or not you'll succeed in life. Eker shows you how to decode your childhood beliefs around money and to reset those limiting beliefs. You can rewrite your money blueprint to create and grow success. 2. Robert T. Kiyosaki, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, What the Rich Teach Their Kids About Money That the Poor and Middle Class Do Not. This bestseller is not just a self-help book. It's a powerful testament to Kiyosaki's experience of growing up with 2 dads and how they shaped his beliefs about money and success. Kiyosaki's own father and his best friend's rich dad provided 2 sharply contrasting attitudes to money and success. His book explodes wealth myths about income, home ownership, and education. Learn that what you've been told most of your life is not necessarily the best way to become wealthy. 3. Napoleon Hill, Think and Grow Rich. A classic of the motivational genre, Napoleon Hill will show you how to use his philosophy of success to change your life. Arthur R. Pell, Ph.D., has updated 1937 classic to analyze how 21st century billionaires have succeeded in an increasingly cutthroat world. 4. Margaret M. Lynch, Tapping into Wealth, How Emotional Freedom Techniques, or EFT, can help you clear the path to making more money. You may have heard about the emotional freedom technique, EFT or tapping, as a way of moving through emotional difficulties, but it's also a powerful tool for removing money blocks. Margaret M. Lynch takes you through the steps to identify and replace your negative money beliefs with ones that are focused on wealth and success. By gently tapping on a series of acupuncture points, you can turn your money mindset around and leave behind those blocks that are holding you back.